Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start in chapter number 3, that is about further expansion and factorization of algebraic expressions. Here we should be first familiar with what are the types of sentences. Basically, we have two types of sentences, that is closed sentence and an open sentence. What is a closed sentence? Closed sentence is a sentence which is always true or always false. It means that at once that is either true or either false. Only there is possibility of one thing, either they are true or they are false. That's it. For example, if 5 plus 7 equals to 12, then this is true, because when we add 5 plus 7 we have 12, then this is true. And next, if you look at 7 minus 5 equals to minus 2, then this is false, because 7 minus 5 equals to 2, so this statement is false. So it means that closed sentence is a sentence which is either true or which is either false, whereas an open sentence is a sentence which may be true or may be false depending on the value of the variable. For example, if we look at our example 5 plus x equals to 10, then if we think about this sentence, then we see that if we add if we put value of x equals to 5, then 5 plus 5 equals to 10, and for the value of x equals to 5, it's true. Otherwise, for any other value of x, this equation is false. Similarly, we can see that 2y is less than 40. It's true for y less than 0 and is false for all the value of y that is either equals to 20 or greater than 20. So it's mean that in short we can say that closed sentence is in closed sentence we have only possibility of one thing, either it's true or either it's false, whereas open sentence has variables, and it means that it has a possibility of being true or being false. Now look at our next topic, that is an expression. An expression is actually a mathematical phrase that basically consists of a number, variables, and with that variable there is some coefficients. It never has an equal sign. Now, for example, if we look at our example, 2x plus 3y plus 4z is an expression. In that expression, we have three variables, that is x, y, and z. And with the variables, with x we have coefficient 2, with y I have coefficient 3, and with z I have coefficient 4. So it's mean that this is an expression. Now what's an equation? An equation is a mathematical sentence has that has an expression, and that expression is equal to something that is constant or something else. We don't need to bother for what is equal, what are the terms that are written after equality. They may be constant, they may be variable, or anything else. Now move on to the next, that is what is an inequality. An inequality is a sign that is not equal to something, that is either greater or less than something, that is called inequality.